In this video tutorial series, we're going to talk about Katana's multi-currency feature. This feature is available on advanced and above subscription plans, so in case you're on an essentials plan, you'll need to upgrade in order to use it. What does it do? The multi-currency feature enables you to sell or buy in any currency of your choice. Anytime you're working with multi-currencies outside of the base currency that you have on your Katana account, Katana, when this feature is activated, will automatically update the exchange rates to always be up to date prior to the completion of a specific order, whether it's for sales or purchasing. In the tutorials, we will cover the basic setup process of how the multi-currency functionality works. We'll talk about how to set a different currency on a sales order, on a purchase order. We'll also discuss default currencies for your suppliers as well as your customers. And then we'll go a little bit more into the details with respect to how multi-currency actually works with our integrations. So on the sales side, we have integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. So if you're selling in foreign currencies on those particular sales channels, how does Katana deal with those situations? Also, if you are manually creating sales orders and you write invoices for those using one of Katana's native accounting integrations such as QuickBooks or Xero, how does multi-currency work with invoices that are generated from the Katana platform through those integrations? In addition to that, as it relates to our purchase orders, which you can create bills on our native accounting integrations, how does multi-currency work with those? We'll cover a couple of the details with the nuances of certain features that will also provide visibility options to prevent any mistakes as they relate to multi-currency. And also, anytime that you would be, for example, maybe changing the base currency of your business, which is very rare but can happen, we will cover some of the use cases with respect to how that looks whenever you're making updates to your Katana account. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial series and you learn a lot as we go along.